Hi, today I'm explaining about the camera action. So in animation, mostly generally we use camera. Okay, so here camera means it's bit improved and last and a the previous versions in Flash actually we arranged manually. Okay, so you can move manually. So here also the almost the same, but here the particular tool uh, they introduced for the camera in the previous versions last animate um, um, your flash and micromedia flash and Adobe Flash in master collection there was no camera. Here particularly they're giving camera. Okay, so camera here, how we use camera, mostly we use cameras for the panning shots. Okay, so you can use for the horizontal panning and vertical panning and zoom in zoom outs, for the truck in truck outs or rotations. For the camera rotations we use. Okay, so let us check how to use them. Suppose for that, here I'm taking one picture. I'm not adding any animation. For one picture I'm using, okay, the coming lections on animation also we use. Okay, here I'm using one picture. Suppose, yeah, this you can drag here. This is my picture. Okay, and suppose this is your area, this is your field area. Okay, this is stage, so it is occupied more than your stage. Okay, suppose let us say this animation we want in 4 seconds, 120 frames means 4-second animation we're expecting. Okay, so over on that, what we do here, just click on the camera, or otherwise the shortcut C. So here, observe here in layer the camera is added. Okay, so this camera added up to 120 frames. Here if you observe here, along with your cursor your camera connected. Okay, and suppose here for the rotations, and here it is into a normal camera, and with this, okay, you can make zoom in zoom outs. Okay, so here indicating in the blue line your actual stage. Okay, so other things are falling out of a stage. Here in properties, if you observe here, okay, camera has some properties. Suppose here camera properties. See, these are the color effects. Here it is camera properties. Okay, see the position. Okay, so the position is X position and this is Y position, and here it is a zoom in zoom out. Okay, set the zoom percentage how much you want. Okay, and these rotations, specify the rotation angle. Okay, and here these are the camera tinting. Okay, so which color you want actually tint, so you can enter the value. Okay, so red, green, blue, and here it is adjusting colors. Okay, this is reset camera color of filters. These are the filters, camera color filter, and these are camera tints. These are colors and these are filters. Okay, right. So you can apply the value directly here, and then you can control your camera, or otherwise yourself you can operate here automatically. That value can apply here, because you can enter your desired number, or otherwise you can apply, you can move this bar. Okay, suppose here what I'm planning, so up to 25 frames, suppose 20 40 frames, yeah, 48 50 frames, up to 50 frames. Okay, this picture can be there. Okay, this picture can be there. So right click, suppose where is your camera, click on the camera. Here you can right click and insert keyframe. So insert keyframe up to 50, this will be the same. Okay, then from 50 to suppose 70, you can insert keyframe. Okay, so then here what I'm doing, you can observe here, I'm giving the zoom in. See, here it is already reached my cursor end, but if you release that, then you can move. So suppose with your mouse, with left click, you can, this is your stage. Within the stage, which area you want to cover in camera, suppose from here to the here to here I'm focusing. Okay, right. So between here and here, what I'll do, I give right click between these two keyframes and create classic twin, so that up to here your drawing is there, but here it is zooming. Okay, perfect. Next, after that, give some hold up to suppose few frames, like 90 frames, insert keyframe. So that means what, after this animation it holds few frames in the same place. Okay, so then what I'm doing, so these frames I can extend up to 200 because I want to use all the camera tricks. Yes, yeah, up to here the same car we follow. Okay, then after that what I'm doing, I'm giving the panning covering to these cars also. I'm getting panning, this is called panning. I'm giving the panning to here to here. Okay, so that means okay, yeah, here I'll insert keyframe, and this point I'll drag up to here 110. Okay, and between these you can apply again the classic twin, so that you'll understand this. I'm covering up to here. Okay, then so after 120, up to 120, insert keyframe. Okay, then here at 150 or otherwise 175, I'm giving at 175, insert keyframe. Okay, there what I'm giving, see, I'm covering all the cars. So you have to insert, okay, you have to insert your actual cars. We are covering all cars. Good. Okay, but here what I'll do, create classic twin. So beautiful. Yeah, covered up to here. Here I'll move up to more frames. Yeah, here I covered the whole cars because the blue line camera is indicating here. Okay, then after that what I'll do, up to here I'll give insert keyframe. Okay, and then at this area I'll extend more. Okay, here at this point right click and insert keyframe. Here what I'm doing, I'm giving the tiltingness. The tiltingness means here the rotation. Here I'm giving a rotation. Just directly you can give the value here. Suppose here I'm giving the value. Okay, suppose 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Okay, but I'm giving 30 degrees and at the same time the zooming. On this car. See this. Fantastic. Okay, but here you give classic 10 so that it is giving that turning position, and then after that here to here what I'm giving, suppose at 255, insert keyframe here, and then what I'm giving here, I'm giving the vanishingness. Suppose giving classic twin here, and then applying the color effect actually. Yeah, that is my camera. Yes, here this is camera color effects. Yes, here what I'm doing, the apply tint reset camera tint. Yes, I'm applying here the blue. Suppose I'm experimenting. Yes, so here it is vanished. Okay, that means what? After that it is vanished, like your stage. Okay, so for timing, what I'm doing, my stage color, I'm giving some black, and here also instead of this, I'm using black. Yes, that is okay, right. So up to here, this is my animation. Right, now let us check what will happen. So control enter. Now you can check your animation, the camera animation. See there, fantastic, excellent, beautiful. Okay, so there I have to cover one black patch is there. Excellent, right. So here at the first point here, so I want to move this actually bit left side. Okay, the same thing here. I'll copy and paste, and now I give the classic twin. Yes, now control enter, then we'll observe that the bit the blackness is showing there. I'll cover that. Beautiful. Okay, so even at the starting area here, yes, now I'll copy this frame, and here I can paste. Okay, right. Now control enter. Beautiful. Now sorry, here I forgot to apply the classic twin. Yes, now control enter. Now check this. See, this is nice, focusing on that and coming onto whole cars and disappearing. And now my focus is on this, and here panning and coming here and tilting my camera. Okay, so this is the camera in animate CC. If you apply on any real-time work project along with the proper sound, particular sound, the naturally we feel that. Yes, and one more thing, here you can apply the slow in slow outs. Suppose here I want minus 100 I'm giving, because I want fast movement here. The fast movement here, suppose here, yeah, fast movement, and then after that the quick movement again here I want. Suppose again I'm giving 100. Okay, and from that, from there to here, it is giving fast, but instead of the fast I'm giving here minus 100. Okay, here I'm giving tilting. For tilting here I'm giving 100. Yes, now we can check this. Control enter as per our camera guidelines. See this? Beautiful, perfect. But here also I add this camera, I'm giving, instead of minus, I'm giving 100, so plus 100. Okay, now I'm giving control S and control enter, then you will observe this. Beautiful, beautiful. See, first there, okay, and pan onto that and coming and giving tilt and vanishing. So this is camera. Okay, how to use camera in Animate CC. So in coming lessons, definitely use an real-time animation along with the soundtrack. Okay, so you try yourself. Okay, then if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay. Thank you.